Good morning guys. Today I am back with another do-it-yourself job. Today I will show how to clean your car headliner. As the car gets older, or if you drive your car keeping your windows open, or you are a smoker, you smoke occasionally inside the car, your headliner gets very dirty. Let me show you guys. This type of blackish sooty type of layer that collects on the headliner, and as it gets older and older, as you can see, there are several black spots over here. So it looks not only dirty, it looks very awful. So if you want to give a car fresh and clean look, you must clean your headliner, and I will show you the simple steps how you can clean your headliner at home. Be using a car specialty upholstery cleaner. This is Daslo that I have already used in my previous video where I have cleaned all the door trims. Instead of a car upholstery cleaner, you can use good quality household detergent also, like Easy or Gentle. Like this type of detergent can be used, which are pH neutral and can be used on delicate clothes. This type of detergent can be used also instead of a car upholstery cleaner. Create a very rich leather, and I will use this thick foam to clean this particular headliner. Dipped in this particular soapy solution, and then I will try to rub the headliner like this. Use as little water as you can. In some videos you will find they have used a brush, but I won't recommend that because this is a very soft type of material and brush is a bit abrasive. If it is very stubborn, there may be no option, but I will try to do it with the help of a sponge dipped in soapy solution, and let me see what are the result, especially the sides. Because why these sides gets more dirty, when you go to a workshop or anywhere, you will find the workmen generally touch with dirty hands these places. So these areas get more dirty. We also tend to keep our hand within this handle sometimes. Use minimum water, otherwise since these are cloth based, it will get saggy actually. ज़्यादा पानी मत यूज़ कीजिए क्योंकि वो गीला हो जाएगा, और गीला हो जाने से इसको सुखाना भी थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट होगा आपके लिए. हाँ, इसमें थोड़ा लेबर आपको ज़रूरी है क्योंकि, और मेरा ख्याल से ये 8 साल का पुराना हेडलाइनर है, तो इसलिए काफ़ी मेहनत ज़रूरी होगा. Detailers will also do this job, but they will ask a pricey sum for you, and if you are a do-it-yourself guy like me, you can do this easily at home at any Sunday or any holiday. Holidays are my specialty days for car upkeep, where I spend most of the time cleaning, maintaining my car. We keep Sunday for our all these type of jobs actually. So, and it is especially useful if you are two working at a time together, then the labor work and also work can be distributed between the two persons, and it will be easier for you to do it also. In order to remove the stresses of soap, I will now rub it with the help of a moist cloth so that I can remove the stresses of soap as much as I can. So that the stresses of soap is removed. Remember, it doesn't get wet. You can already see the difference. This is the older area. This is the older area and this is the newer area. The original color has restored back actually. So you can understand how dirty it was. Practically it has become a black color, a black shaded color, and the new one is whiter. So you can easily understand how dirty it was. Like this I will do to the entire roof and then I will show you the result. So as you can see, the area that I have completed, it is already showing a white color, and you can easily find out how the other portion is looking. So let me complete the entire ceiling, then I will show you what is the result. Also this area, this is also headliner type of material. In this area you have to be careful so that water doesn't get inside the speaker grills, otherwise it will be a problem for you. Finally the entire job has been completed. Let me show you how it looks now. This is how the ceiling is, as you can see, and in some areas you are finding it's little bit shaded. That areas are wet till now, and once it dries up it will be like this. Once it dries up it will be like this. So it was very, very dirty. It took around an hour or so to do this particular job, and still I am bit satisfied that I have been able to do it satisfactorily. So like this you can easily do this particular job at home, and it is a very easy DIY process. आप खुद घर में आराम से ऐसे ही हेडलाइनर क्लीन कर सकते हो बहुत ही आसानी से. काफ़ी चीप ये मेंटेनेंस जॉब है, और हेडलाइनर प्रॉपरली क्लीन करने से गाड़ी का अंदर भी नया जैसा लगता है. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have any questions regarding this procedure, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I am always ready to give all answers to it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye.